going in now to settle the fight.
Look at that! Look at that!
Oh my god, Vinay, you bully. Oh,
Oh.
it's okay.
Oh my god, there is no,
Good job.
there is
Good
no
job, Nimi.
impulse control at this age, so it's
Yes.
amazing. You can't even discipline them, so it's funny. Like,
It's okay.
Niam,
It's okay.
Vinay, your
What's
turn.
so funny?
Niam, you win the battle. Vinay, your
What's so
turn.
funny?
Get the toy back. All right, let's.
Yesterday there was I had a candy bar. I had a wrapper in my hand,
Niam
and
wants
both Vinay and Ishan wanted the wrapper. So you should have seen the fight.
Niam, you gotta pick one toy, okay? I knew that he likes that one toy, so darn, I gave the wrong toy. I know, like, what do you do at this stage, right?
Well,
you-
I tell you gotta
Nothing,
figure.
you just
No,
distract
but
them.
Niam,
Radna, I mean, if you could somehow
but
Teach.
they say at this stage.
teach that it's